Hello, welcome to GOT. Today we're going to talk about the Plaud Note Pin. This is a little itty bitty device that you connect to yourself. It'll take notes for you and then actually convert those to outlines or any form factor that you want to. Let's check it out. So first thing I'm going to do is open box this thing real quick. So the idea with this thing is lots of professionals lose many of their ideas because they don't write it down. They think of something and miss it. So I'm going to show you how to always remember a great idea and never forget something special. Watch closely. It'll translate it and put it in whatever format you want. I think that's pretty clever. Now this thing has 64 gigabytes of storage on it, which is quite a bit. And it looks like it has a contact pin for charging. So there must be a port in here. You can see here, here's another piece. Looks like that just fits right on the back. It has a specific direction it has to go. There you go. Look at that. Gives it a nice solid fit to secure all the pins when you're using it. That's pretty nifty. And then also it's a two-part piece here. You can actually put it inside your shirt here and pin this to yourself like so. That's pretty nifty. That way you could just utilize it. It looks like it has another clip here inside where you can do the same thing. Look at that. It's got actual pin here and it looks like it's magnetic as well. There you go. Only goes one direction and then clip. I think that's probably the way I would use it. And then it has the USB-C charging, and this looks like this is its dock, and then dock it right there. It only goes on the one way and it'll charge. USB charging, and you can use any USB charger because it looks like just a standard USB or USB-C, that is. Now I'm going to go ahead and use it here for a bit and then get right back to you and show you how it transcribes it. So think about that. Never miss a great idea or a thought or something you need to remember again. And not only that, watch closely and see what this thing will actually do for you. So basically on this quick starter guide, you just scan this code right here on the back, and my scanner happens to be right here. Just take and scan, and it'll scan it, and it'll jump right to the site to download the app right there. Now you're seeing me do this on my Automagic V5, of course, this is an Android. It also works really well with iOS on the iPhone. And I've already got the app installed on my phone, so I don't need to download it again. And then once you download the app, here it is, you open it up. And you got to go through a setup process where you enter in your information, your email, and all that stuff to get you started. And then get the app downloaded. You can just open it up here if you want to, but we don't need to do that right now. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this device here, this note pen, and I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little squeeze. There'll be a red light here, as you can see here, the overhead. That means it's recording. So now I'm going to put it on here, and then it's going to record instructions or whatever I happen to say. And my instructions are going to be on how to use this device. So basically you just open it up here, and it's showing that it's recording right now. I've got 23 seconds of recording going on. So you can see the recording right there. And I don't need to have the app open for it to be doing that. And then once you finish recording, then it will actually translate for you. And you can see here, what I did earlier is I went ahead and read the website to myself and then told it to give me a persuasive review or rewrite to review this thing. And that's what it did. It went ahead and gave it a review, gave me some points to talk about and everything. And I'll cover most of these in this video, but this is pretty interesting in how it did it. I didn't have to do any prep work or anything for this video. It did it all for me. Next part you don't want to miss. It takes your thoughts and puts them into something you could really use. Check this out. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. You can see there's the recording, and I'm just going to go ahead and tell it to generate. Now, what's really nice about this is you could just use their Plaud AI generator if you want to. It says it's the best way to transcribe in summary. Or another option here is you can custom generate, and you can use a bunch of different templates. And here's different AI models that you can use here. Look at that. You can use Gemini, Chat GPT. I'll just use the one that's auto here. I believe it's probably going to use Chat GPT to do it. And what's really nice here is these templates. You can use so many different templates you want to use. Like it looks like it's default at adaptive summary. I don't want a summary. Let's say I want something more. So clear, distinctive, clean meeting notes, whatever you want to do. So let's just go up here and just say a reasoning summary or clear, clean, and highly detailed. Let's go ahead and do that. And we'll click that and tell it to use this template and create it now. And now it's going to do its AI thing and think it through, and then it'll display me a template right here on the screen. So there you go. It did it, and it actually titled it Demonstration Recording Device, because that's what I said I was going to do. And it took down everything that I said and put it in a nice little, wow, format here. And it looks like it gave it some more details and information. Now, the Plaud Note Pin comes with all these accessories, and it also does not require any subscription. However, you can get a subscription for long-term use with the Plaud Pen. Now, this Plaud Pen is very beneficial for creators like myself or other professional industries such as the medical field or educational or legal industry. So if this is something you're interested, there'll be a link in the description below, and you can also find it on my website. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and God bless.